Hello YouTube, MS Legend here, and I'm back again with the video. So, there's breaking news coming in, so let's get straight into it. So, Manchester United in talks to sign Eric Bailly from Villareal. So this is latest news coming in today. So here he is, he plays for Villareal, and let's get straight into it. So, Man United are in talks with Villareal to sign Ivory Coast international Eric Bailly, according to Sky sources. Sky Sports HQ understands United are not the only club trying to sign Bailly, with Manchester City, Barcelona and Paris Saint-Germain all in talks with the La Liga club. Bailly is not believed to have a release clause in his contract, which means all four clubs are essentially in a bidding war for the player. That has driven his transfer fee towards the region of £30 million. So that is quite expensive for a centre back that pretty much no one's heard of. But he's 22 years old. He's played 25 times for Villareal in La Liga last season. He made 7 Europa League appearances. He scored a goal, and he played in the side's 1-0 semi-final first leg victory over Liverpool. Eric Bailly apparently can play left back and centre back, so he's got versatility in there. He's Ivory Coast, as you can see, international. He's fast, he's aggressive, and I don't really know that much about him. You'll have to Google him, you'll have to YouTube him, but hopefully is he the answer that we're looking for? I'm not really sure. Personally, I would like to see Manchester United sign Varane or Don Stones, but anyways, this is the news. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.